the next asana we are going to do is called Prasarita Padottasana. So to do this, you extend your legs such that it is 3 to 3.5 feet apart.
Then you bend forward as much as possible. So this is one variation of the asana. You bend forward and as much as possible. The second variation is you put the force on the back and then bend forward. Stay there for 30 to 40 seconds. The other variation is grab your ankles and use your strength of the ankles to bend forward as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other variation is you extend your arms and bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and come back. So there are numerous benefits to this asana. This is an excellent asana, especially for working professional, to stretch their back. It stretches your hamstring, it stretches your shoulder, and this is a really good forward bending asana, so it will improve your digestion, and if you do it regularly you will have a good appetite. This also really releases stress, so you can help much more peacefully when you do it right before the bed.